Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Wednesday, March 18th, 2015. I want to show you this trade that we took today on DuPont, kind of explain how I came to the conclusion that the buy right here at the low of the day was the accurate buy, all right? So again, we literally had a buy signal at 73.80. 73.80. What was the low of the day? Look up here, 73.77. So it basically pierced our level by 3 cents. It then proceeded to bounce a straight dollar, a full dollar, actually $1.20. So look at that. We bought here, and look at the move up. Basically, that was the low, right up, $1.20 bounce. Now, how did we know that was going to be the low? Let's talk about it. Let's dissect it. Let's learn from it. All right, first things first. The first thing I look for on charts is a short-term major oversold nature. So what you can see here is on just literally Monday, right? So Monday, the chart kind of rallied into the close. Tuesday, gap down, collapse. Wednesday, gap down. But notice how right here it started to find some sort of support. If you look back here, it didn't. It's straight down. Even early in the day, straight down. So you knew you didn't want to step up there because there were no signs of support just yet. Then you got this little bit of a minor kind of bounce. And then early in the day, you saw a continuation of little sellers coming in. Now, you had to look at the chart next, all right? So again, we're starting to see buyers come in. That's the first signal. Now you need to find the level on the chart. I want you to flip over to the daily chart here, very simply. See this pivot top on this candle right here, this close level right here, and this low. See how they're all in the same vicinity? Pivot high, open slash close, and right here, the low of this candle. Notice how those three lines match up in a straight line. What I want you to do is literally take a line, draw it through those spots, pivot high, close slash open, and pivot low. Put that in and look at the line you get. Now, why is it important? I mean, why do you know that these levels? Well, because, again, if the chart here rallied up and then pulled back off that line, then you opened basically here, popped up, and couldn't close above it and kind of chopped around and ended the day right there. And then you had a gap above that line and you retested into that line before moving higher. That's telling you that is support right there. It's very simple. You just see that. You have to train your eye to find this. We teach you here at InTheMoneyStocks.com how to find this. Once you know how to do it, it's very easy. And look at those 3 points. Put a line right through it. Look at the big oversold nature of the chart coming into it. We looked at the intraday factors about how you started to see a little bit of a bottom in the previous 24 hours starting to try to be formed. You saw that flush right into that level. That was your buy point. And literally, that's what we did in the chat room, guys. It was one of the easiest trades we've ever taken because literally we bought it and we just rode it. And we rode it, baby. We rode that thing. And sure enough, it paid us handsomely. And members here made more money again today. Just that simple. So more money in our pocket. And that's the reasoning. I love doing these videos because they're so educational. We talk about our trades and why they work out. And that's the key. We don't just brag about it. I'm not here to say, oh, yeah, we made $1.20 or $1 or 50 cents on this XYZ stock. It's, okay, we made this trade and this is why. And that's important because then you can actually start to learn it. All right, bottom line is come to InTheMoneyStocks.com, folks. Join us here if you're into research center type stuff, meaning you want education, you want swing trade alerts, you want trade alerts. That is the research center. Research center. 7-day free trial. If you're into options, simply put the options alerts. So again, if you want options alerts, if you want trade alerts on stocks like swing trades and analysis and videos, Research Center. Research Center has a 7-day free trial. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com.